Okay, we're all in this together is from the fabulous High School Musical, which is full of energy, it's full of dancing, and it's full of lovely singing. It has some amazing songs in High School Musical, and this one is spot on. It's fabulous. So it starts with together, 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 everyone. And this is a great song for exploring solo opportunities. So if you've ever fancied having a little go at singing by yourself, but are a bit scared to do a full song, this could be the song for you, because you could break it up into small chunks, because you could have one person going together, somebody else together, and then a third person together, everyone. Then you can carry on with the second line, together, together, come on, let's have some fun. So you can break it down a little bit more. The actual main verse is quite simple. Here and now, it's time for celebration. I finally figured out. And at that point, quite a few of the words have these little dips down, the ya-da-dum. And you can put those in if you want to, or you can keep it simple. So you could go, finally figured out. So just doing two notes instead. But what's important is that everybody goes, yeah, yeah, because this is the moment that everybody can join in and show support for whoever's just sung that bit. So this is a great kind of call and response song, a great teamwork song where you can have two teams. So somebody could go, finally figured out, yeah, yeah. So they're answering it. So it's really a big team, okay? When we get to the chorus, this is the really fun bit, okay? And it comes back a few times, so it's important. And it means that we just need to make every time we sing it that little bit bigger and more exciting. You can do that by making the dynamics slightly bigger on each verse. So we start relatively quiet and it builds up and gets a little bit louder each time. It could be that you start introducing some dance moves into there, or again, it might be that you pass some bits around to various groups or solos. So the chorus goes, we're all in this together. And my hands are showing the pitch of the notes, so the high notes, the low notes, and everything else in between. We're all in this together, once we know that we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together, and it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. And that last note holds on for a little bit longer. Hand in hand, make our dreams come true. And it's really important we keep it really still. We don't want to shout when we're singing. We want beautiful singing, okay? It needs to have energy, but not be loud and shouty, okay? Now, this chorus comes back later on, but it does get a little bit higher. So when we're singing higher, we need to make sure that we're sitting straight or we're standing up really tall, and that we pull our magic ribbons on the top of our heads just to keep our spine nice and straight. And we're going to go over the top of these notes, particularly on we're all in this. So imagine you've got your basketball and you're going to shoot it through the hoop and it's going to go right through. We're all in this together. And it's important that we have lots of smiles on our face when we sing this song. So see if you can perfect your dance moves for this one. You might want to watch the original film for some inspiration on what moves you can introduce. Make sure your words are really, really clear, but have lots and lots of fun with this song. It is a fabulous song to sing that is full of energy, so have fun with it.